are still locked in the deep freeze and it is still bitterly cold, and we still have those ongoing lake effect snow showers, but inland areas are starting to see a little bit of a break. Still, those snow bands making it into downtown Grand Rapids, traveling very slippery still. Don't overdrive for conditions if you're going to be out and about, but you can definitely see those snow bands are starting to lighten up just a little bit. Still quite breezy and still very cold this afternoon, and as you can see, the area of snow is starting to decrease in terms of coverage and intensity, but still those snow bands coming into about the US 131 corridor and just off to the east. The takeaway with additional precipitation today, about 1 to maybe 2 inches of additional snow. Still a lot of blowing and drifting. The air so cold that it's that fine powdery snow that tends to blow around very easily. Yep, inland areas seeing some sunshine. I was outside in downtown Grand Rapids a little while ago, and it was so nice to see the bright blue skies looking off to the east and still looking at those sustained wind chills about 15 to 30 below zero all day. Now look at early morning low temperatures. We were at 10 below in Grand Rapids this morning, the coldest morning of the entire winter season. 17 below in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and Sturgis. Kalamazoo, by the way, broke a record that had stood since 1899, and this is the coldest air mass recorded in Kalamazoo since 1984. So, I mean, all the way back when I was a freshman in college. Wow, that's a long time that we have waited for this cold air to return. So you can see actual air temperatures now 0 in Ionia and Hillsdale, 3 above in Fremont and Big Rapids, and we're sub-zero still with air temperatures. So once again, so cold, those melter agents aren't working. So icy pavement to be sure. And these are current wind chills sustained now. It's still 10 to almost 30 below zero. The wind chill futurecast has conditions slowly starting to moderate. In fact, by daybreak tomorrow, most areas are just in the single digits below zero, so lots of schools may actually start heading back. And by noon tomorrow, that's when those wind chills climb above zero, and some inland areas could be in the double digits above zero with those wind chills as we head through the afternoon tomorrow. And a look at the warm-up, 17, the official high, 34 on Saturday. So again, we have that warmer air really trying to roll in. Now, as we start to melt things down, could see some icy pavement, maybe some freezing drizzle on Saturday. Then rain moves in with the warmer push on Sunday and Monday. That could bring us into a situation with rapid water level rises and maybe even some ice jams. And there you see a return to possibly an icy mixture of precipitation as we start to turn colder again Wednesday into Thursday of next week. We have had that river warning, the Muskegon River in Newaygo County earlier this week. We had that ice jam. That river warning was reissued today because that ice jam is reforming, and so we could be looking at those kinds of situations.
Yeah, it's going to be quite the swing here from all the snow to then 46, it might as well feel like summer.
And rain.
Yeah.
Rain, no less.
Exactly.
Wow.
So is this the point where we put our mom hats on and say, no shorts and short sleeve shirts tomorrow with a wind chill of 10 above?
Okay.
I know it's going to feel balmy and you may be tempted, but...
And I'll have to switch from my winter boots to my galoshes,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
Surprised I knew that word, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly. I got my bogs.
Thanks, Terry.
Sure.